What if you could take an idea for an AI app, just a simple thought, and turn it into a real working product? Not in weeks or months, but in just a few minutes. Well, today we're looking at a tool that says it can do exactly that. And honestly, it might be about to change the entire game. AI development just got flipped upside down. Now, that is a big statement, but it perfectly sets the stage for what we're about to get into. Look, if you've ever had a killer idea for an AI tool but got completely overwhelmed by the technical side of things, this is for you. The rulebook is being rewritten. And this slide just lays it all out, doesn't it? On the left, you've got the old way, just a mountain of back-end complexity, a real nightmare. And on the right, the new way, a simple one-click solution. To really get why this is such a breakthrough, we first have to feel the pain of that old way. So, let's talk about that pain. Why has building a genuinely useful AI agent been so darn difficult for so long? The problem has never been a shortage of great ideas. It's always been the sheer technical wall that developers smash into right at the very beginning. Yeah, this really says it all. The challenge wasn't dreaming up a smart AI assistant. The real test was whether you can navigate this absolute rat's nest of back-end infrastructure. It was a game that was pretty much reserved for hardcore engineering specialists. And here is that laundry list of nightmares in detail. These aren't just buzzwords. Setting up a vector database, which is basically a special brain for how the AI remembers information, or building secure authentication for users. Every single one of these bullet points could be weeks of work. It is a minefield. Okay, so after all that doom and gloom about how hard it is, what's the fix? Well, that entire swamp of complexity is exactly what's being wiped out. And this brings us to the breakthrough moment, the shift from fighting with infrastructure to just describing what you want, going straight from a prompt to a live API. So what is Toolhouse Agent Studio? Honestly, the simplest way to picture it is like an AI agent factory. You walk in with a blueprint, written in plain English, and it handles all the heavy machinery and complicated assembly in the back. And what comes out the other end isn't some flimsy prototype, it's a production-ready tool you can use immediately. And the process itself is, well, it's almost ridiculously simple. Step 1, you just write a prompt. Something like, make me an agent that checks customer emails, figures out how urgent they are, and then automatically makes a support ticket. Step 2, Toolhouse builds all the logic. Step 3, you get a live API. That's it, from an idea in your head to a working tool in 3 steps. Okay, but how does this actually work? This sounds a little too good to be true, right? What are the specific tools that make this possible? Let's pull back the curtain and take a look at the so-called magic that makes this whole thing tick. The first piece of the magic is all about understanding how the AI thinks. One of the most frustrating parts of building AI is when it just doesn't work right and you're left completely guessing why. It's a black box. But what if you could literally see inside its head, step by step? Well, that's the goal here. And this is what that X-ray vision looks like. With a feature called Instant Previews, you're not guessing anymore. You see every single step in your agent's chain of reasoning as it happens. You see the data it's looking at, the tools it's using, and exactly where things went wrong. A debugging process that could have taken you hours, maybe even days, is now solved in minutes. It's a game changer. Now, an AI agent is pretty useless if it can't actually do things in the real world, right? And this analogy just nails it. Think of it like the App Store, but for AI tools. This idea is absolutely central to making these agents powerful. So instead of spending days writing complex code to connect your AI to outside services, you just browse a tool store and add powers with a single click. Need your agent to search the web? Boom, there's a tool for that. Need it to pull data from your company's database? Just click to add it. This is how you give your agent superpowers. And all of this leaves us to what might be the single biggest win, especially for developers and small teams. The idea that you can just forget that servers and infrastructure even exist. I mean, just look at this list. Every single item here is a monster of a project on its own. Setting up RAG, which is just a fancy way of saying the AI can read your private documents, that's a huge deal. Or managing memory so the agent actually remembers who you are from one conversation to the next. These are incredibly complex tasks. Here, they're just handled for you, automatically. And this slide just drives the point home. For any developer who's lost a weekend fighting with Docker containers or tangled deployment scripts, this is basically the dream. Your focus shifts completely from managing all that plumbing to actually building the thing you wanted to build in the first place. So let's zoom out for a second. When you put all of these pieces together, what does it all really mean? Because the impact here isn't just about making things a little bit easier or a little bit faster. It's about creating a totally new reality for how AI gets built. And this is probably the single best way to understand just how big of a deal this could be. You have to remember what happened with mobile apps. Before a tool called Firebase came along, you needed a whole back-end team to build a serious app. Firebase automated all that, and it unleashed a tidal wave of innovation from smaller teams and solo developers. The goal here is to do that all over again, but for AI. So if we boil it all down, the advantages are crystal clear. It's fast. We're talking minutes, not months. It's cheap, with a pricing model that actually works for a single person. It's accessible, meaning you don't need to be a DevOps wizard to use it. And it's scalable, ready to handle real users from the moment you launch. It just tears down all those old walls of cost and complexity.
And really, this all points to a pretty powerful mission. It's about democratizing the creation of AI agents. It's about putting the power to build these incredibly sophisticated tools into the hands of everyone, from startups and solo devs to creative people who don't even know how to code.
In the end, tools like this are just about one thing: unlocking creativity. When you strip away all the immense technical barriers, the only thing left limiting what's possible is your own imagination, which really just leaves one very exciting question for all of us to think about. What are we going to build next?